Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to get the black symbol with black name with black count. So how to know the each black count and how many types of black symbols is there. So I am going to show you now. Okay guys, so I have some code. This one, drag and drop to here. Then command is this one. So here we have to type BLA count, then enter. Then here it is asking select black count, so select entire drawing, then enter. Then wherever you want, click the point, then it will create as a table format. See here created as a table format. Then here it is showing how many blacks is there, and at the with name also, each black name, each black count also here. So here this type of black symbols is there, each black have the count. See this black have the count this much, this black also this much. Like this we can get the at a time black symbol, black name with black count. Okay guys, thank you so much.